Hi guys, welcome back to Chef Dwight. In today's Sunday recipe, I'm gonna make for you a fried chicken. Differently from the ones that I have on the channel. Today I'm gonna be making a pineapple sauce with the fried chicken. So guys, stay tuned and watch out for this. So guys, this is the seasoning that I have in it. I'm gonna add my scallion, a little bell pepper, some thyme. I just bought that thyme so it's not dried, but it's the same flavor. My garlic. So guys, stay tuned, I'll be back. So now I'm gonna just rub everything together. So then now I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about 45 minutes to an hour and start to prep the oven and the other recipe. I'm gonna be taking my gloves off. Alright guys, so now that I'm back for this fried chicken recipe, I have my 3 eggs and my seasonings as well. So now I'm gonna make a batter and then I'm gonna season my flour with all these seasonings. Alright, so to my flour guys, I'm going to add just half a tablespoon because I don't want it to be that spicy. Set this aside. Black pepper, all of the seasoning. Black pepper, relatively the same amount. Now this, because when you season the flour, it actually gives the chicken that deep flavor when it's fried. I'm gonna use some Old Bay for this. I haven't really used this seasoning much. I'm just trying it out now. Old Bay. A little salt, because guys, please remember that most of these seasonings have a lot of salt in them. So you don't want to go OD on the salt. Then you just mix that around. And guys, if you want to add cornstarch, you can add some cornstarch to the mix. Look at that. So you just want to prepare everything that you're not going back and forth once you start to fry the chicken. So you have all your stuff prepared. So guys, now that I'm ready, this is my wet batter. Secret ingredients, you'll see how it comes out. And my dry batter. And then my chicken. And everything is ready. My stove, the oil is being heated. So as soon as it's ready, we'll get on to the frying process. Alright guys, so now we're ready. I'm gonna shake off all the herbs, because the herbs is for the gravy. The stove is about, the heat is about ready. So you want to dip it in the batter. Place it in the flour. Squeeze it together. Oh shoot, I hate doing that. The flour just spread all over the counter and the stove. You just wanna put it in the stove. And just repeat the process. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera and then show you what's going on. Now guys, I only put 4 pieces because you know you don't want to overcrowd the pot because it will drop the temperature of the oil, and that's a no-no. So you're gonna fry these 4 pieces for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, look at that flakiness. Just about the time to take them out. And put them on the tray. Guys, there is it. That's the first set. I just fried 8 pieces. And I got my rice and peas. Okay guys, so this is some pineapple juice. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make the fried chicken sauce. Now I'm gonna add a little sugar, a little barbecue sauce, sweet honey. I'm gonna add a little ketchup and then the herbs. And you want to add a little sugar because it's gonna be tangy, so you just want to merge that little flavor. Here's the chicken. Look at that, nice and golden. And also my rice and peas. I didn't intend to cook so much rice, but you know the swell thing. Pineapple sauce. Guys, look at that fried chicken with pineapple sauce for dinner. I got a lot of gravy underneath the chicken, guys, so I'll just put it on the rice. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember, like, share, subscribe.